Service-orientated organisations are using Microsoft Dynamics CRM to manage their sales, marketing and service departments. In this video, I'll show you how IT service management providers can use CRM and QService to manage their IT business, streamline case management process, keep customers constantly updated and improve the way they work. Let's see how QService adds the functionality you need to CRM 2011. QService adds the service rates entity to CRM. The entity is displayed in the Settings module area. As IT service providers, we charge for our services at an hourly rate or at a fixed price. We also charge different customers at different prices. Each service rate record represents an IT service item. Each service rate record is linked to a price list, as different customers are charged differently. Accounts are linked to a price list to ensure we bill customers only for the IT services and prices we agreed upon in our service agreement. We bill customers for IT services or deduct hours from a prepaid points pool. This list represents different IT services for gold and silver price lists. Services are billed to customers or deducted from prepaid hours or points pool. Some services are charged at an hourly rate, while other services, like Rebuild of Microsoft Small Business Server, is charged at a fixed rate of £950. Resolving IT incidents is a process of assigning activities to technicians, monitoring what has been done, and how long it took to complete the activity. QService adds this feature to CRM out-of-the-box activities. Here is an example of phone call activity. Users can time how long a phone conversation lasts. Save the duration details. Update the records field, discussion summary, and mark the activity as completed. On-site job stores the work to be done, scheduling, and site location. QService activities can be scheduled as service appointment at set date, time, user, service, and duration. Check availability in the service calendar. Schedule. Service appointment is synchronized with the user's Outlook calendar. In Outlook, as in CRM web interface, the record shows the scheduling information and service activity. The on-site job card is printed as a hard copy and for the customer to sign off. Work details are entered as a record to what has been completed. The reported time section includes time in, time out, and duration. Activity is marked as completed. There are other IT customised activities included in QService, such as Workshop and Remote Job. Designed for IT-managed service providers, the case entity is customised to streamline the incident resolution process. Case origin is phone, email converted to case submitted via the web, or an alert from a remote monitoring software. Case status and progress is constantly monitored and updated. Activity status is visible to the case manager. The faulty device is linked to the case. When the case is resolved, resolution date, total reported time, and number of activities are updated. At any stage, the case can be cancelled, resolved, billed, or you can top up the customer's prepaid hours. The case is billed to an account with an active price list. And based on SLA, the case is either invoiced or deducted from the prepaid hours. Completed activities are displayed. We select the activities we'll charge and the hourly service rate, or charge at a fixed service rate. Select the invoice type. Note that the on-site job is not billed yet. There are times we wish to bill the customer, but leave the case opened. One case can have many invoices. One invoice can be related to many cases. When all the activities are completed, this time I wish to charge the customer by deducting from the prepaid hours. If required, we top up the customer's points pool balance. Deducting hours from the points pool is a very similar process to invoicing. All activities are billed and completed, and I can resolve the case. The case is now resolved. Resolution date, total reported time, and total activities fields are updated. QService adds the device entity to the service module area. Devices are linked to accounts. There are 6 different device forms to select from. Records can be imported to CRM or synchronized from RMM software. QService also adds the site entity to the device module area. Sites are linked to account and devices. Sites group the customer's devices in one SLA agreement. RMM Sync synchronizes between Microsoft CRM and remote monitoring and management software. Connection parameters are stored as an XML file. The synchronization is automated using Windows scheduling. QService adds SLA functionality required by managed service providers to CRM contract entity. The SLA contract line stores the contract details for monitoring devices and response time to incidents. QoS-IT plugin creates recurring invoices for monitoring services or purchasing of prepaid hours, based on parameters stored in this section of the contract line. This process is monitored by the SLA recurring invoices and plugin errors entities.